during our sewing class project, meron kami mga project na ginagawa. And yung unang project na natapos na namin gawin is a skirt without a lining. So, wala kayong makikita na lining na ginamit dito sa project na to. And this one is a pencil skirt with a slit on the back to allow us to move freely when we are walking. And for this project, ang ginamit ko na fabric is the Gazar. And if you want a elegant looking kind of fabric, perfect yung Gazar for your project look. And ginamit ko tong dalawang project na ginawa ko this month para i-partner dito sa skirt kung babagay. Ito yung una. And this is the last one. Anong tingin nyo guys? Bagay ba or hindi?